Denise Gomez is set to go down against Elise Reed. She did really well against Eduardo Mura. Karolina Kovalkiewicz surprisingly turned the lights out on Jasmine Jauregui, and that was a pretty much upset to me. Then she lost to Angela Hill, but normally Denise Gomez is known for long wars, and Elise Reed, she's 5'3", 63 inches of reach, while Denise Gomez is 5'2", 63 inches of reach also. Reed is having a taekwondo black belt, but she's also known for decent ground game. She lost to Luma Bunmi and Lupita Godinez. Yeah, her ultimate advantage is striking, though. Defeated Jessica Peng, Ginny Frey, Melissa Martinez. I have some kind of a feeling she's gonna lose this one. I think Gomez is stronger and better on the ground. I think wrestling, grappling gonna make a difference in this match. But if you're asking me for the prediction, I'm saying fight starts round 3. But I think Gomez gonna win a decision.